from a default object color preview to a user-defined object color preview. This video will show you how to have full control of object colors when printing drawings in AutoCAD. Let's start. When you have a drawing as shown in the video, you may be wondering and ask yourself, can I set the object color other than what is displayed? To do this, click the file and select Plot. On the Plot Style Table Pen Assignments, select Monochrome. It will ask a question to assign this plot style table to all layouts. Simply click Yes. Click Edit Plot Style Table. For the purpose of this video, all objects in the preview will be colored in red. So to turn all blue objects into red, under the Form View tab, select the color blue. Under the Properties, make sure the color red is selected. To turn all yellow objects to red, again, under the Form View tab, select the color yellow. Under the Properties, make sure the color red is selected. Then click the Save and Close button. Click the Preview button. As you can see, all objects in the print preview are color red. That's it. Thanks for watching.